This fifth wheel captures my interest just because of the color combination. It looks like it's going to be something inside as well. So this is a 43-foot 2019 Luxe Elite. This is a fairly new rig. Big monster slides again. One thing about this rig is you wouldn't lose it. It doesn't look like everybody else's. Massive, massive slides on this. There's 5? I think there's 5. 4? Not sure. So 1, 2, 3 on this side. Lots of storage, as most fifth wheels provide. They give you decent storage. Okay, we are going to enter this one. Again. Oh. Probably has auto. I think it has an automatic door. It opened funny. And a trip on the steps. Oh, I like this. Nice color combination. It's not all black, not all dark. And it smells nice. You can smell the newness in it. Okay, that's an interesting dinette area. This RV has power sunshades. Do not pull up or down. Good point there. You have to have decent batteries for this baby. Kitchen. Fantastic fan up here. Wow. This is very, very nice. Oh, wow. Okay, cabinets up here, which you have to have a ladder to use them. Nice tile. I believe these are real granite countertops. Big, big refrigerator with the pull-out freezer on the bottom, so massive food storage. A nice big TV. Very interesting. It's dark, but yet they put the white furniture in here for contrast. Ducted air, of course. Camera's having some trouble focusing in these dark areas. Okay, so, and it also has, this is sweet, it has this little room off the kitchen. This is very sweet. Okay, I like that. It's like a little office, bedroom for kids, but I'd use it as an office. Look down there, there's washer dryer connections. I'd use my portable washer. Okay, it's too dark in here to get much, but there's a bunk above this sofa area, and this sofa would pull out into a bed as well. And then there's a big storage drawer underneath the sofa. Wow. This is like a secret room. You could close it off and nobody would know it was there. Quite a walk to the bedroom. Okay, here's the bathroom. Beautiful tiles on the wall. Backsplash tiles. More granite. Beautiful granite sink. Medicine cabinet. Big skylight. Decent sized shower. Cabinet in this corner for towels and such, toiletries and such. Fantastic fan. I think they got it right with putting these type of fans, Max Air and Fantastic fans. Okay, the bedroom is very dark. My camera had some trouble focusing. Like the door. It's a glass door to close off the bedroom. Big king-size bed. Very tall. It goes up to my waist. Massive closet. And wardrobe. This baby's big. Wow. Okay, so it is a 43-foot 2019 Luxe Elite for $149,995. $150,000. No fireplace in this one. But this thing's so big you could get a little standalone type if you wanted to. Oh, and this has a mat over the slide.